On June 20th, 2018, 15-year-old Lesandro Jr. Guzman-Feliz fell victim to gang violence. Now the Bronx community is turning that tragedy into triumph.
We always said that we would not let Junior have been taken in vain.
Taking the steps to make a positive change in Junior's memory, elected and community leaders in collaboration with the Fresh Air Fund launched Camp Junior in 2019.
When these type of tragedies happen, we rally around the families, we show love and compassion, and then people move on with, end up moving on with their lives. But this is, I think, a better way. And if you ask Leandra, Junior's mom, I think she wants people to think more of Junior in this regard than what happened to him that night.
Camp Junior aims to provide children a safe space to grow, learn, and explore the world away from gang activity and violence.
This brings our mission at its core to ensure that our children from the Bronx, or any child to be honest, knows that they are part of a community, that people care about them, but that this is actually what is ours.
Today, groups are attending the Fresh Air Fund Family Wellness Program, but throughout the summer, families will be in these cabins and taking part in fun and engaging workshops and activities.
Camp Junior offers swimming, kayaking, lessons in archery, and many activities aimed to expose Bronx youth to different experiences while building social and emotional development skills.
A lot of the kids, they don't really know any better, so coming here is teaching other kids to learn better, and I think that's really cool.
I feel like it's really important that kids are able to get an experience that they're not used to, so they know that the experience that I'm having at home, it doesn't always have to be like this.
Exploring the great outdoors, mother of two campers, Tatiana Brea, says after the pandemic, she's grateful for the opportunity to experience Camp Junior.
It's kind of a dream come true because last year was really tough for the whole family. We got to the point that we thought that we never would come out anything good after the whole world was stopped because of this pandemic.
Camp Junior remains a positive and safe space for Bronx families, but mother of Junior, Leandra Feliz, wants the community to make an extra effort to ensure the children of the Bronx also feel safe at home.
What happened with Junior, I don't want to see happen again with any other kids. We need everybody comes together. We need the two hands to stop the violence outside.
With the children of the Bronx in mind, community leaders hope Camp Junior can turn Never Forget into Never Again. The Fresh Air Fund encourages all Bronx families interested in joining Camp Junior to call or visit the link below. Reporting for BronxNet, Kibin, Alleyne.